Got it, Dada. What?
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi, it's Preston Addison here. We are setting up to do another truck camping video. We've got some more supplies, so nothing's changed since last time we were in here. We still got that trash can, so you can see. But no, tonight we're actually going to use some of that new stuff we got. We got a little Coleman stove that we're going to be using. We're going to make some supper with it tonight. And we're going to go ahead and get situated. And alright, so we're just a few minutes into this rearranging because...
And it's dripping.
And it's dripping. So I moved the table around just because where we normally watch the candles now going to become our kitchen. So that's where we're going to cook our food at. And I noticed there's some water coming in. You can kind of see right in there that's just coming from that corner and running down. But we're not going to let that stop us, are we?
Nope.
Nope. We're still truck camping. So.
But it's how is it on the other side leaking?
Well, it's just the snow melting. So in the last couple weeks out here at our place, we probably had, I don't know, 14 inches of snow probably.
And now it's melting.
And now it's melting.
And it's somehow getting in here. Somehow, I don't know how it's getting in there.
We just covered that.
Oh.
So, all right. Well, we're going to get back to it, and we'll catch up with you here in a minute. Okay, so we're back. There's Addison. All comfy cozy. Looks like you're comfy cozy, huh? You nice and warm? All right. What are we cooking tonight?
Sandwiches with
You want turkey, I thought.
turkey on our sandwiches.
We're basically going to be doing grilled cheese, but we're going to add some meat to it. So we got a nice little stove to cook it on. So that'll be nice, be fun. We do got the carbon monoxide tester there. And the other thing we got, because I've been curious, is thermometer. And right now it is showing about 45 degrees. It only got to, I think, 32 today, maybe 31. I don't know. Tonight's supposed to get down to 10 degrees. So we got plenty of hand warmers. We are cheating again. We do have the space heater. So we will be running that. So no sense in being miserable when we don't have to be, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So our sandwiches are prepped. We got the pan. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up for the first time. I've never used a butane stove. I've always just used propane. So this will be a new experience for me. I'm going to get the camera set up. We're going to start making some sandwiches. Can you hold the sandwiches for me? Don't dump it, please. What movie you want to watch tonight?
Probably I'll take Baby Yoda.
You want to watch Baby Yoda? Nah, I don't know about that.
How about
These are new silverware sets. We're going to have some way to flip these.
Those are my silverware. Those are mine.
How do you know?
Because you told me.
You don't know.
Yes, I do.
They look the same. You're just being silly.
Hey, no, I'm not. You just told me. Sugar.
So I know that the video setup isn't the best for this, but you know,
Hey, Dada.
don't claim to be a videographer or anything like that, but I do know I want to have fun, do things that makes my daughter happy, and this is what she decided she wanted to do, so here we are. So first night truck camping and making some food.
Hey,
I'll go ahead
Dada.
and, hang on, I'm going to flip this one and see what it looks like. It's already sizzling a little bit. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's not ready yet.
Yeah.
Pretty easy.
Hey, Dada, what's your phone number?
I'm not going to tell you that.
Why?
Because the camera's recording. I don't need the 5 people that watch this video to call me. That'd be silly.
Is it ready yet?
No, it's not ready yet, you silly goose.
Hey, stop checking it.
I gotta check it because it smells so good. We're just gonna keep on going.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Eat your floor cereal.
Oh, tell me that's not a beautiful looking grilled cheese.
No.
Mmm. How's that look? That looks beautiful. All right, supper is done. Okay, you ready for a sandwich? All right. There you go. Cheers. That's good. No.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Clay, what was your favorite thing today? Okay.
All right, well, let's finish our supper and
This episode of movie is called Favorite Thing. You go first.
we'll finish recording. And tomorrow morning, we'll record us making breakfast.
Bingo, trying to eat cherry tomato.
Good morning. See, Addison's still struggling to get out of bed. That was cold last night. As you can see on the windows, we have just got ice going everywhere. My shoes were actually frozen down to the truck.